Welcome to our channel. Want to save Reddit videos? Follow these methods to download videos from Reddit posts for offline viewing. Step 1. Find the Reddit video you want to download. Navigate to the post containing the video you wish to save. Step 2. Copy the post's URL address. Click Share button and select Copy Link to get the Reddit post URL. Step 3. Visit a Reddit video downloader website. Search for Reddit Video Downloader and choose a reputable service. Step 4. Paste the Reddit URL into Downloader. Insert the copied link into the URL field on the downloader website. Step 5. Click Download or Fetch Video button. The service will process the Reddit post and extract video content. Step 6. Select video quality if options available. Choose between different resolutions based on your needs and storage. Step 7. Save the video to your device. Click the download link and choose where to save the video file. Step 8. For mobile, use third-party Reddit apps. Some alternative Reddit clients have built-in download features for easier saving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.